What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Kaspa Maxi mug. Everything tastes better with Kaspa. Okay, guys, I'm sorry about that. Okay, today I am about to show you something. Okay, we're about to talk about something that most people, okay, a lot of guys or a lot of YouTubers are not paying attention to. I told you guys that Kaspa was preparing a big surprise for everybody. Okay, but that is what we're about to talk about today. Okay, so before we do that, let's check on the entire market as we usually do. Okay, I will give you my signals. I'll tell you my thoughts about how the market is moving on the three coins that we are trading. Okay, we are trading Kaspa, Quant, Jasmy. Those are the three coins that we are trading and that I chose for this bull run. Okay, so that being said, let's go to the crypto bubbles right quick so we can see how the market is doing today. Let's go here. Let's go here. And there we are. Okay, as you can see, the market is looking pretty red because Bitcoin, everybody, again, Bitcoin ETFs on the outflows, they are very high, which means like people are selling. Those ETF holders that bought it at $25,000, they are selling. There is there is no way. I mean, like, there is no even how do you say it? They don't even think about anything else but try to make profits, because like everybody knows the Feds are going to start cutting rates, so everybody's trying to accumulate money to buy traditional stocks probably, and that's why the crypto market is bleeding. But anyways, let's go and look at the coins that we are trading. Okay, let's look at first Kaspa. Get Kaspa. As you can see, in the last hour we are up 0.5%, and on the daily we are down 1.8%. 1.8, which means like yesterday, almost the same thing. The market is just going sideways. This thing is preparing to take off. Okay, let's go to Jasmy, Jas. Okay, Jasmy, JAS. As you can see, the market is down 0.6% in the last hour and 3.5, 3.6 in the last day. Okay, so the same thing. Jasmy is going sideways, and I'm about to show you that in my trading view right quick. So this is the opportunities I was telling you guys yesterday. So let's check the next one. On the next coin that we are trading here is Quant, QNT, Quant. You see the same thing. It's just moving sideways. We are down 0.6% on the last hour and 0.9% on the last day. So a lot of people are kind of afraid right now. So I'm in my parking lot. I'm working on my car right quick. But that is what's going on right now. So if we go exactly like I told you guys yesterday, this is the time that you need to start making your moves. Okay, you need to start making your moves right now on leverage, on spot, or however you're doing it. This is the time. You don't want to wait for the market to start running. It is always a good thing to try to catch the market on its lowest. Okay, on the lowest point, because when you catch it on the lowest, that's when you make more money. I'm about to show you that in a second, because on my short-term trades, I took profits on Jasmy because I wanted to scale it up a little bit more. I took profit and scale it up to, I think it's $900, almost $1,000. If you guys remember yesterday, my leverage position on short term was $800. So I took profit and scaled it up. So I'm gonna show you in a minute what I am targeting. Okay, but first let's go to my trading view to see how the price is reacting, because this is why I'm telling you guys it's time for you to get in. Do not wait. So let me go to my trading view right quick. Okay, trading view. I'm gonna just go right there. Excuse me. There you go. Trading view. And I'm going to look for Kaspa first. See, we're on the 4 hours okay, on Kaspa. Let me go down to the 1 hour. There you go. This is exactly what I'm telling you guys. The market is just going sideways. Look at the price action. Okay, we broke down the below the ribbon and below the resistance that I had for it. If I draw it a little longer, you can see. Let me bring out my arrow and we can put it right there. So yeah, earlier today we broke below the resistance that I had it at that 14.8, 14.9, depends on how you draw these lines. Okay, and as you can see, price came down again. Now we are breaking above it again. We broke above the resistance, and we are breaking above the ribbon, and at the same time we are breaking above the moving average. These are three resistances that Kaspa is crossing right now. That tells you that is very bullish, guys. That is very, very bullish, because Kaspa is gearing up. I mean, Kaspa is really gearing up for something. So let's go on the daily. Let me show you something on the daily. Okay, if you remember, again, I told you guys, we needed to close yesterday candle green. As you can see, yesterday's candle got closed green. Look at the ribbon. Ribbon is curving, right? The ribbon is curving upwards. So today's candle is going to close green. And you can see yesterday's Star Wars candle also closed green. So we have the next resistance, which is here. Okay, at 15.9 or 15.8, depends on how you draw your charts. The next one will be up there at 17 almost, and then the all-time high right here. So guys, that's what I'm telling you guys. Kaspa, a lot of people are expecting 6 cents, 7 cents, 8 cents, and I'm telling guys, this is not happening. It's not going to happen. Do not fall for it. Okay, don't fall for it. It's not going to happen. Kaspa is not going to go back down to those prices. This is the lowest you will ever see Kaspa again, because there's a lot coming, and that I will talk to it. That's what I'm going to talk about once I'm done showing you what the price action is. Okay, so now let's go to the next coin, which is Jasmy, JAS. Let's go here, Jasmy. I like using the Binance chart. Okay, so Jasmy, the same thing is going on here. This is the short-term price action. Let me go on the hourly. There you go. Do you guys see what I'm seeing? Jasmy, the same thing is going on here. Let me bring out my arrow. See? Ribbon is curving. The candles have already turned green, which means this ribbon is about to curve, turn green, and price is about to go retest the top of the ribbon. From there, we about to go look for this moving average. Okay, this just right there, like 3.1, 3.2. We tried that yesterday. Yesterday we tried it, failed. That's why price came down, and now we're about to retry it again. I'm telling you guys, everybody telling you they're expecting these 2 cents Jasmy is not going to happen. When you look at the heat map, the most of the liquidity on Jasmy right now is found around 3.5 cents. So price always follows liquidity. Therefore, those people shorting Jasmy right now, they're about to get liquidated. Okay, they're about to get liquidated in a very harsh way. So guys, do not fall for that trap. Okay, don't fall for it right now. Okay, let me take you on the weekly. Look at Jasmy on the weekly. See, that's exactly what I told you guys. Jasmy, the ultimate target for this move is 9 to 10 cents. Look at that. It is following this classic move. It always breaks out, form a bull flag, breaks out. Now we have this bull flag again. This is the same thing that is happening right now. Okay, look at that. It is the same bull flag. It is forming. Okay, now we're about to break out again to the upside. So guys, this thing is not going to 2 cents. Okay, that's just my opinion, man. You can do whatever you like. Like I said, it's not financial advice, but this is a good time. You need to scale up. Okay, this is a good time for you to open your positions, scale them up, okay? That way you don't get liquidated, and wait for it. Because I'm about to show you. I'm gonna show you in a minute. I opened up the trade. I took profits in the morning and to scale it up a little bit more, and that is working for me perfectly. So now let's look at the last coin, Quant, QNT. Like I told guys, Quant is getting ready to blow. So let's look at Quant right quick. Back here, and that being said, let's go here. Let's go back to Quant. Excuse me. Let's go here. What is QNT? And we look at Quant, QNT, Quant. I'm gonna look on the Binance. There you go. The weekly, like I told guys, the W, the second leg, is getting formed on the weekly. But now let me take you on the hourly first. On the 1 hour, oh, come on. Here you go. 1 hour. You see? On the 1 hour, that's exactly what, like I told you guys, we are just retesting the ribbon again. Yesterday we had a triangle that broke down. Okay, it broke out of the triangle. Now price is going again. We tried the ribbon, which is still the big resistance we are facing. Quant is about to break above this resistance to go try the moving average, just like every other coin usually do. Okay, there's a lot riding out for Quant right now. There is a lot riding out for it. Like I told you guys, this downward resistance is still really strong. Yesterday, remember, we had this resistance for since what, January, I think. We've had this resistance since January. Every time we try to break it, we get rejected. Yesterday we tried, we got rejected. Look at it now, we are trying again. It's probably going up again to try to break it. Is this time going to be the lucky charm? Maybe, or maybe not. But yet, what you don't understand is that Quant is not losing that bottom. Look at the bottom. See, this bottom line, Quant is not losing it. Quant is holding it perfectly. If you look at this bottom line from here to here, look at that. Quant is not losing it. It's not losing that bottom line, which means, like right now, if we trace this triangle all the way down, like I told you guys, this thing is getting to its apex. It is coming to its close. Quant is trying that, okay? Now, that being said, you can get Quant, probably the price, okay, is going to come again, retest the top of the triangle. Maybe this is the lucky time we break it, or it might come down again, retest the bottom of the triangle. But one thing for sure, as you can see, we are getting closer and closer to the end of this triangle, which would mean that Quant will have to break up. We have to break, and the break to the upside is more likely than breaking to the downside. Because the top side of the triangle, we've been testing it over and over and over, which means this thing is about to take off. Okay, so I said it before, this is just like I say, it's an opportunity. You want to miss it or you want to get in it. For me, I am already in. Now if you want to get in there, remember we do have the Phemex and Bydfi, links below. Again, only for those who know how to leverage trade. If you do not know how to leverage trade, do not do it. Just buy it on the spot and hold. Okay, but if you do, yeah, you can be like me. I have my coin on spot and I'm also leverage trading. Okay, so excuse me for a second. Yeah, and I'm also leverage trading, and at the same time, some coins like Kaspa, I'm also mining them. So that is it for me. So that being said, I'm gonna take you to my long term, which are on Bydfi, so we can see how the price is performing, on how my positions are performing. Let's go there, Bydfi. Now we open up. There you go. Okay, those of you who has been following me for a while, you already know. You know the drill. This thing was up almost $35,000. Bitcoin decided to do what it always does, which is crash everybody, and it dropped down to 21,000. And as you can see right now, my earnings, I am back up to $24,000. Like I said, these trades I plan to keep them open to the top of the bull run. Okay, the top of the bull run, or even higher than that, depends, because nobody knows how high the bull run will go, or closer to the top, sorry. So now looking at my contracts, as you can see here, quant, I was down yesterday at 1%, but my quant is already making moves. My quant, I am up 2%. Okay, 2%, which is almost $92, something like that. And my Ondo Finance, I took profits yesterday. Okay, took profit, like I told you. Ondo Finance is just to make exchange fees and also to make money to scale up my trade. So yesterday I took fees, those of you who remember now, but I'm up again because I told you, if you know how to ride that wave, you can make a lot of money from it. As you can see on my quant, I said here, I'm up almost 2%. On my Ondo Finance, I'm up 34%. Okay, this right here I am targeting on Ondo Finance. I am targeting 1.5 cents or $2, because that quant Ondo looks like it's about to go up there. So if you look at it, that means at 1.5, this thing will make me $2,000, right? You can see that 1.5 makes me $2,000. That's what I'm targeting, because at 1.5 cents I will take profits. Okay, or see what the market is doing. If it is still doing pretty good, I'll let it rise to $2. So that is what we are. So at $2, it will even make me more. So you look at right here, at $2, this thing will make me almost 4,200 right now. See, that's what I'm targeting right there. So you guys, it's time. If you want to get in, that's great. If you don't, that's you. Like I'm saying, this is not financial advice. So now let's check out my Jasmine and my Kaspa. My Jasmine, I am down today 45%. You guys, you know I was even higher than this a couple days ago, but I'm not worried about it. Like I said, my liquidation is 0, so it doesn't affect me. So I don't think Jasmine will go to 0. I scaled it up already. I have $4,000 on this position, and that has already made me almost $2,000. On my Kaspa, I am down 42%. Okay, again, I'm not worried about it neither, because my liquidation is at 3 cents, and I already have like $8,000 in this position. Right now, this has already made me $3,500. So, like you can see, I'm always transparent, and I show you guys everything that I do. So now let's go to my short-term trades. Let's see. Let's go to my short-term trades, and we gotta go right there on my Phemex. Okay, on my Phemex, as you guys can see, my Jasmine is in negative 7%. Okay, because yesterday, like I did yesterday, I took profits to scale it up. Okay, I took profit to scale it up. I needed it to be, those of you who remember, I only had $800. Okay, I had $800 on my Jasmine position, if you do remember right. Okay, excuse me, right there, it's covering my numbers. I had $800, but right now, look at this, I do have almost 900 and say almost $1,000 right there. Almost $1,000 on my position. That's what I have on Jasmine right now. And Kaspa is doing perfectly good. I'm up 8%, as you can see. And on this position, I have $5,000. Now, the reason why I scaled it up, okay, and the reason why I'm insisting on going all in with Jasmine is because this position right now, I am targeting 5 cents. Jasmine is gearing up to go to 5 cents. So if we if you go right here, look at this, 0.05, this position will make me $5,000 in the short term. That is what I am targeting. Okay guys, this is what I am looking at, this, because Jasmine, like I said, Jasmine is about to take off. Jasmine is about to make a lot of people a lot of money. So that is what I'm targeting right now. Okay, so you guys can look at it and decide if you want to go in or not. Kaspa is also about to do the same. Kaspa is about to make people a lot of money, because as you can see, Kaspa is about to bounce. We're getting Kaspa to 20 cents, 25, or even 30. And now with the smart contracts and everything else coming on, I would not be surprised if we don't see Kaspa, excuse me, if we don't see Kaspa at probably 60 or even $1, as even 60 cents or even $1. So yeah, everything is going according to plan with Kaspa. So okay, now let's go talk now about why I'm telling you guys this thing is about to give you the surprise of your life. So now that we've checked out the prices and checked out everything, why am I saying 95% of stable coins? Okay, first of all, look at let's go to the Tron. When you look at Tron, amount of transactions happening on Tron network right now, because most people, just like me, when I'm transacting, I'd rather use Tron versus Ethereum. Ethereum transactions are very expensive. Okay, if I want to send stable coins or if I want to do any transaction, I'd rather use Tron network. So when you compare Tron to Ethereum, Tron is cheaper and Tron is even faster. Okay, when you compare that to the shitcoin Solana, it's even worse. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you something. When you get chance, you can go and research it. The relationship, okay, between Kaspa, Visa or MasterCard, and PayPal. Research that. That is the hidden thing that nobody is paying attention to. And I'm telling you guys that all these transactions that are happening right now, Kaspa is about to take those 95% of the stablecoin transactions going on in the crypto world right now. That is about to happen with the launch of smart contracts and stablecoin on the Kaspa chain. That's what people are not paying attention. Now, when I tell you that is very important, because you have a fast chain, excuse me, you have a fast chain like Kaspa, which can implement smart contracts way faster than anything that we've seen in the crypto world. Way faster than that, and we're still just in the Rust language. Imagine when we get to the dark night. So excuse me. So where do you think developers and people are going to lean to? Just like right now, yeah, people think Ethereum is great, but I'm telling you, there are more people transacting with Tron better than Ethereum, more than Ethereum or even Solana, or what you call it. What are the layer one you got going on out there? Now we have Kaspa, which is 1,000,000 times better than all of them. Okay, so a lot of people say, oh, Bitcoin, it can also have the same consensus as Kaspa, which is a lie, guys. It's not true. Go and research, do your research, and you will see that Kaspa, when it comes to that, Kaspa is 10 times or even 1,000,000 times better than Bitcoin, and I still stand by it. Okay, that's my opinion. I don't know what your opinion is, but I still respect it. Like I said, that is the hidden gem, the hidden thing that Kaspa is hiding, and this is why. Okay, this is why it is very important this smart contract launches on Kaspa. When it happens, a lot of you are going to be caught by surprise. You will be caught by surprise, because Kaspa is going to take off like a rocket. It's going to take off. There is so many bullish things lining up for Kaspa right now. So it's better for you to be prepared and be in your position right now versus waiting for it to come back down, if it comes down. Because I'm telling you guys, this thing it has no more room for the downside in the short term. We are about to see this thing run, like take off. And when it comes to takeoff, Kaspa did not come to play. Kaspa came to take on the entire market. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. It's going to be 85%, okay, of all stablecoin transactions going to be on Kaspa. Now, guys, you guys can make up, or you guys can go and research it. That's why I said, Go and look at the relationship between Kaspa, Visa, MasterCard, and PayPal. Something is being cooked behind the scenes. Okay, something is happening, and when it goes live, guys, this is going to be the beginning of something bigger than we all. Okay, it is bigger than that. That's why it is very important that these smart contracts get launched on Kaspa. And once they do, I tell you, meme coin, DeFi projects, gaming projects, and the most important of all of them, stable coins. When it happens, guys, like I always say, if you know, you know. Understand? If you know, you know. So guys, thank you for watching my videos. Please like, comment, share, so that other people with the Millionaire can take this Millionaire journey with us. Okay, again, thank you for watching my videos, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.